Alright, got a 2012 Toyota Highlander in here. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light real quick, I'm hoping. So you're going to keep your foot off the brake so you don't start the car. You're going to push the electric start button twice. And then you want to make sure that you're on trip A. So here's your trip button. You're going to push that until you see trip A. And then you're going to shut the vehicle back off. Now, when you turn the vehicle back on, you're going to push and hold this button, and you're going to look over here and you're going to see a countdown meter. It's going to be hard for me to do this one-handedly, so I'm going to have to put my phone down for a second, but we're going to hold this down, click the button twice, and then you'll see this come up. You want to keep holding the button until that counts down, and then it says it's complete and your oil change light is gone. So